my little talk here is about simplified site service we call room tagging. So it's not a survey, but we're going to talk about how an installer can do simple measurement to be sure that the APs he's installed is running as expected. Kind of quick check that the work has been done good when he installed it. So this software we're going to show now is for an app that you run on an Android device, and it's produced by a company called AirMobile out of Stockholm, Sweden. And here we can see an installer who was actually trying to install an AP. And this tool is available in a couple of versions. There's a free version you can download from Google Play. And it doesn't really, what it does actually, this app, it's measuring, of course, beacons information elements. And it stores that on the phone temporarily. And the standard version is, the free version shows less information elements than the professional version. And then there's the professional version. If you get a license to a cloud services, you can upload information from the phone to a cloud and store it in AirMobile cloud services. So this guy also, he has the possibility to take a picture of what he's doing and also send that picture together with the data up to the cloud. The cloud is a subscription thing, and the pro version that you need also is a licensed fee connected to it. It's $49 US, and every one of you has a voucher in your bag. For that $49, you can get the pro version forever. Okay, so recommend to download it and try it. So I just made a couple of screenshots on this tool. So after you install it, there are actually just one screen you're working on, nothing more. And you can see here, I only just press the little icon and then it shows up. So what I do here is I had to be connected to the SSID I want to measure. So that's the first thing, you have to have a Wi-Fi connection to the deployment Wi-Fi network. Then you just press test, the green bar here. And then at the bottom part of the screen, you will see it will be filled out with data, as you can see there to the left or to the right. You see data filled in there, and to the left, the key KPIs are empty. You have to, of course, what we call the tagging thing is that you actually add and where are you? And there are 4 layers of that. You can say, well, I'm in a specific project or in a building or I'm in a town or whatever. And that is then stored together with the data. And you can see that that green bar is now orange, and the orange says press to stop if you want to cancel the measurement, or and the measurement is done, I can press on the blue line if you have the cloud connection, and then it will give you the possibility here to take a picture. In the middle screen there you can see add a photo, or 2 photos, or 3 photos, or 4 photos. And if you swipe, there's another screen which is just for information. Swipe left or right here. That will show you all the access point that has been seen on that SSID. That's just to verify which access point did you actually measure. The one with the green check mark is the one you measured. And when you're doing this kind of measurement, of course, you have to be close to the AP that you're setting up. So 3-4 meters maximum from the AP. And if you're an installer, you're probably like 2 meters from it. So to be sure that you are connected to the correct MAC addresses. To have a table with MAC addresses or have sticky tapes on the access point with the MAC addresses could be useful. And the KPIs that they are measuring against, you can set those in a settings screen. And this one also do active scanning, not so active scanning, is do pinging of a local gateway or any host on the network. So you will also get TCP round trips values if you like. And you can also set the thresholds for the checkbox, which are green or red on the service end. and this is how it looks like when you uploaded the information to the cloud services. So here you can see each and every place. I've been around here a little bit. This is not the super best phone, but here I can see the different snapshots I've taken of the environment where I was standing in those different conference rooms we have around here. The colors there is what you can set on the settings, which are your values, 65 dBm or whatever you are setting. There's a little plus sign there to the far right, and if you press that one, it will open up something like this. So you will see the picture you are taking, and you will see all the data that's been collected. This front end here on the cloud server is probably going to expand with more and more information in the future. So if I go back here, you can also see that I can remote control my settings from this cloud service with this. Someone is setting this up from your office, and all the attached Android phones will get that profile stored into them. So you can send out phones to people who are not used to work with Wi-Fi, and you got all the settings correct. You can enter the product ID number and all that stuff. Okay, and from the database, you can also create a survey report and print out what you would like to send information about all your access points. So it's pretty simple. The whole idea was to make life easier for installers. Just go up, send a photo, go to the next room, take a photo, and you got the data and the location installed. No need for maps, no need for location services. You're not taking any coordinates with this. This is just to verify that that room has, the Wi-Fi is working to some degree. Okay? AirMobile also has another tool, which was how the tool was called from the beginning. AirMobile, now this one we're seeing here is a subset of it. It's called AirMobile Installer. But the AirMobile traditional software will be called AirMobile Troubleshooter. And if you want to learn more about that, it's more like you're putting an agent on a Windows machine or an Android machine, and you're tracing roaming and all that performance KPI constantly, every 5 seconds or whatever you're setting it up. That's something else, that when you're monitoring a device, this is for installer just to do the simple thing that Wi-Fi is working, green or red, done. Okay, that was all. Please try it, use the voucher, load it on your phone, try it. If you have any questions, there's links on the paper where you can talk with AirMobile in Stockholm. Thank you very much.